Hello, welcome back to Peter Course Vlog. Today is Thursday and it's my drawing time class. So I'll show you how to draw with this SP pen. Deco 01V2 table. Oh, and you can see all my anime drawing and other drawings linked down below, but it's not using this table. It's a Yohan, but it's not function anymore, so I bought another table. I have one Canon cam and display monitor. It's for my top and bottom, and one is my monitor screen opened by illustration. Some display is more expensive than the normal table, so let's begin our art drawing.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my wrist. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. Systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. I raise my flags, down my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We'll paint it red to fit it right in. Whoa, I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm breaking in.
Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and the drawing that I just now draw, will post it when I'm done coloring. So don't worry, I'll use it. I'll tell you how is it good to use better than the display table. Stay tuned for the next video of reviews, and the most important is the anime that I draw just now. I'll color and will upload when I'm finished. Thanks, bye.